You got to make sure the bigger wheels can fit on it too.
Yeah.
Which they should.
It'll be easier.
It'll be easier, yeah.
You've got to push back. That way. Right there.
Guys, I think stuff's gonna fall through those cracks in the bars. There's just a lot of room right here.
Nah. It's just really coarse. This is for sifting boulders. Do we just want to shift the wheels further that way?
Yeah.
You can go.
Right, it's done.
Alright. Now get this guy, well, pull this down to where we're perfectly aligned and we're hitting the same row. Oh, it has to go back. Austin made it more ridiculous. I don't think it really matters.
It does. Everything matters, man.
It all matters. Sure does. It's awful.
We're basically done.
This thing sucks, Austin. Mostly because I'm wrong-handed.
Wrong-handed? You mean you're left-handed?
Yes.
That makes a lot more sense now.
I'm getting confused.
My father-in-law's left-handed. And one of my boys was using his left hand one day and he looks at him. He's gonna be left-handed, isn't he? I said, no, I'll fix him.
I'll fix him. You know, when I was growing up, like first and second grade, that was back when they still tried to fix that. And it sucked.
Where are you going, Austin? Huh? You're like way out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. We're doing alright. We're doing okay.
Will you end up with him? Yep. Wow, that looks way out.
Hey, dude, look
Weird.
at how much faster this one cuts. Yeah, you chose the better one, alright? You win. You win.
One of these has a mark on it where I didn't drill a hole.
How embarrassing.
That is super embarrassing. Look at that. Spin.
Ooh, we're gonna be cutting it close.
I knew we shouldn't have went for the rundicularness.
Are we
How
short?
the hell did we end up like that?
Are we short just a tiny bit?
Yeah.
We gotta pull it tight. We can do it.
We gotta get a teeny more out of it. Here, roll it back around to the beginning. Keep going.
Oh, we got it. What are the chances?
Oh, we had it all along. Alright, let's see if it spins now.
It's spinning. At least it appears to be.
Yeah, it's way heavier.
I'd have to check the numbers and do the math to see if it actually is.
See if it's actually spinning.
Woo! Throw some dirt in it.
Yeah. Not in my garage, man. It doesn't match, dude. But it's close enough.
Nothing on this matches.
Oh, there's one.
Yeah. Oh.
That's a lot faster than it's gonna turn, so. Yo.
And if it doesn't come off doing that, it should be fun.
It's gotta go that way, doesn't it?
It's better than it was.
Oh, crap, this is way weird. Yeah.
The more you talk about it, the weirder it gets.
Just don't think about it.
Just don't think about it.
The wires on the fuel rod.
I guess we could have just got a light switch. Right through that. That might be how we end up doing it. Just put a box on the thing with a light switch.
Where's my light switches?
Or do you have a bucket of light switches?
Of course I do.
think I am.
What a stupid question.
That's awesome.
I have light switches too.
Yeah. I'm sure I probably do. It doesn't mean I know where they're at, but Austin like knows where to go get them, which is way weird.
Yeah, I could find mine, I'm sure.
In a Christmas popcorn bucket. For reals, that's what's going on back there.
I can't find my shoes in the morning, but I could probably find my light switches.
Promoted to
Electrician?
electrician, master electrician for the worm project.
We should come up with awesome titles. Who's gonna be the switch technician? I'll flip a
Switch Nation?
Okay, we need some smashers.
Some what?
I don't know what that means.
We need some smashers. Smashing dials. They're up there.
Some wire smashers?
No, the pipe smasher.
That was like not even
Up higher on the pegboard. Smasherizer.
The
Vice grip.
vice grip?
Vice grips. Okay.
I'm so glad I was recording for that. That's gonna be a whole clip. I even zoomed in on the tool you wanted before you grabbed it.
Oh, now it's all loose. It's not supposed to happen. You smasherize it.
Oh, what are you doing?
Making a flat, dude.
Just test the motor by itself without running this.
That's not the way you're supposed to do it. Put it all together.
All right,
turn it on,
where's
see
the
what
cord?
happens. Oh, it's right there. You
Where's
need
the-
the screen cord.
Yeah.
There you go.
I'm not sure if this thing's on or not.
I'm gonna stand it over here.
You're not sure if the switch is on.
Yeah. Well, I guess it's got labels on.
That may not mean anything if you wired it up
depending on
back.
how you wired it. Oh, we're
You're good. Nothing happened.
All right, you need gloves to operate this switch.
He has skin gloves.
Fuel rod test.
Fired up. This is spooky. I'm gonna stand back a little bit
Good idea. Proceed.
in case this thing comes rolling off. I'm wearing my OSHA approved footwear.
Okay, just one little flick at first. The fuel rod sucks. Okay, go ahead. It chooches.
Yes! It's happening! How easy would that to stop?
Doesn't take much.
Whoa!
What's going on?
I'm excited going fast.
What the hell happened?
I don't know.
We're going too fast! So... Alright.
Alright, turn it off before something bad happens.
It's about 60 RPM. We calculated per time.
I could have got
I
lost.
actually have one of those
How
laser
much is
techs.
the weight gonna drag that down? So
I have one of those laser techs we could actually measure it with.
I was just watching the post. 1, 2, 3. It's about 60.
Chooch.
Fire away.
Okay.
Wait till it goes into high speed. There it goes.
Yeah, it's keep going again.
Set.
So I'm having actually. I think it might be good when we put
It
weight
might
in.
be fine.
It might be fine when we put weight in, 'cause I'm
We're
not
definitely gonna try it before we do the other motor.
Yeah, like I'm not pinching super hard. I mean, and for the first few days, if I have to sit there and hand push it and sift it that way, it's way better than shaking this thing.
You just slow down on what you put in it.
Yeah.
Worst case scenario, but
Yeah.
okay. So if we drive it off this backside, then
Okay.
we're already set up on the front side for the other motor if we need it. And then this one will be easy to build in. We'll just build a platform up. That right there. So 27 inches is what it should be, I think. How are you doing that for? 27 1/4, roughly.
I like his way of measuring.
We also need to drill this. And then drill the end of that guy.
This is super ghetto. I love it.
It's even ghetto we're trying to
Don't
do
laugh
this.
while you're welding, it's gonna make it perfect.
Yeah.
We're live, dude.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's the ugliest thing I've ever seen.
maybe it'll work better on the backside.
Oh, maybe you're right. Except now you got that fan blade of death.
No, that's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
Okay, we do need to notch this. Where's the pencil? Alright, right about there. There. Alright.
Look at this thing, man.
Nice
So
little notch in
cool.
that.
We still don't know how we're gonna straighten it out, huh? We still have no idea how we're gonna straighten it out, huh?
Doesn't need to be
Got a
straight.
chisel?
Who needs to straight?
Don't need no chisel.
Alright.
Nice.
I need some shorter one to put on here.
Like some 2 inchers maybe or something.
Yeah.
Like that.
That was the point.
What the hell's wrong with that sticking out?
That'll be alright. That'll be alright. Run it in.
Gotta make it a little dangerous. This thing's coming together way too easy. We need more sharp screws sticking out of places.
There you go. Nice.
Yeah.
It's as solid as it gets right there.
Wait. Yeah, it's not even straightened out. Never mind.
Do that side.
We're not gonna attach this side.
Maybe.
Yeah, Austin moved.
Chad's gonna be so proud of us. We'll try holding it down and see.
Okay.
I usually do this with a switch operator.
But you're doing it by yourself 'cause you're hardcore.
Oh crap!
What just bound up? Did your weld come off?
Happened?
Just came out, man. It's okay, it goes in just as easy. Yeah.
See, we are gonna have to lock it down.
Oh, see, it's binding.
Otherwise, the entire motor is gonna fall off.
Never mind. Oh yeah, high speed mode.
That was awesome. It's really quiet. That's
We can definitely lock this thing down. It's not really going to benefit us much finishing this tonight.
No,
We should just call it.
call it.
Yeah, we should.
All right.